The most significant change in the recent year for the iPhone, especially in the iPhone 15 series, is adoption of USB-C port by the pressure from the European Union, leading Apple to replace its outdated Lightning port, which has been in use since 2012. With USB-C, user can expect faster charging and a quicker data transfer speed, especially in the iPhone 15 Pro lineup. The most highlighted features for the iPhone 15 Pro series is the introduction of a titanium frame. This titanium frame feels really premium in your hand, and which makes the phone not only stronger but also 10% lighter than their predecessors while packing larger batteries. The camera system on the iPhone 15 Pro Max is getting a substantial upgrade, including the introduction of a proper periscope zoom lens, high-resolution zoom capabilities, and an enhanced ultra-wide-angle sensor. Furthermore, Apple is ditching the 12-megapixel main camera sensors in the favor of 48-megapixel sensor across all iPhone 15 models. In terms of design, Dynamic Island is replacing the notch on the all iPhones models, offering a fresh look. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max will feature the latest generation OLED display from Samsung, which are brighter and more efficient. Another major change is in the replacement of the iconic mirror switch with an action button. This button will serve various functions across the iPhone, and it will be integrated closely with the shortcuts application. Speaking of batteries, capacity increases ranging from 12 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max to the 18% for the standard iPhone 15. These thicker 2023 iPhones were expected to feature larger batteries and an improved stack battery production method akin to electric vehicle. Unfortunately, none of these remote battery sizes translate into actual battery life improvement. Reported battery size for the iPhone 15 series are: the iPhone 15 Pro Max has 4852 mAh and the iPhone 15 Pro has 3650 mAh battery, while the regular iPhone 15 has 3349 mAh battery size. Since the expected battery size did not occur, there were no corresponding improvements in battery life even with more efficient Apple A16 and 17 processor. But finally, Apple is making its most substantial battery upgrades ever for all iPhone models, promising impressive 2023 flagship battery performance, and this made is possible by the A17 chip, making the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max the world's first smartphone to use 3nm chipset, which is more power efficient and higher performing than the 4nm chips used by other smartphones. Storage capacity is also getting a boost with the possibility of up to 2TB of storage on the iPhone 15 Pro series. However, considering Apple's iCloud storage option, this might not be the best choice for everyone. Finally, the iPhone 15 lineup will run iOS 17, which introduced exciting features like standby mode, interactive widgets, live voicemail, contact name drop, and more. Users are hopeful that this version will offer more stable iOS experience compared to the earlier iOS 16, which had its share of bugs. Despite of the release of iPhone 15 and its Pro models, still $799 and $899 for the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, and $999 and $1199 for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, which is same as the last year iPhone 14 series, which is insane. But sadly, we have so much expectations from Apple this year. So this much, guys, those are the highlights for the iPhone 15 series. Feel free to share your favorite features in the iPhone 15 series in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and peace out.